some soft locks. This is my very first time ever doing these, so hopefully it come out right, you know, and things of that nature. Your mic looking mad bust right now, but anyways, I'm like kind of in a rush because I gotta get this hair done before this party that I'm about to go to. Well, like little event, whatever. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and let's just get into this video. So these are the locks that I'm gonna be using. Bobby, is it Bobby Boss? Yeah, Bobby Boss and the locks, 24 inch. And then this is the hair that I'm using to wrap. So yeah, we gonna do what we need to do. So boom, we're gonna start off with parting. As you can see, I start by splitting my hair into two, and then I start in the back. I'm trying to get these parts as straight as possible. And as you can see, that mirror that's like in front of me, I'm using that to see like the back of my head. And I don't even remember like how I even got that stand up. I just know it's between my knees, and yeah, it's doing what it need to do. But anyways, I'm gonna start off with like 3 braids in the back, and then as you go up, it's gonna be like 3, 4, 5, 6, you know. But anyways, we're gonna start off with 3. So I'm just braiding like halfway down, and then that's when you're gonna take a lock, and then you're gonna take one of the 3 pieces of hair, you know, that you braided with. You're gonna put that through the lock. I don't know if y'all can see, but I'm gonna show it again, and it might be more like easier to see than me explaining. So yeah, and then I just continue to braid down. So as you can see, I am opening the lock, and then I'm going to slide that onto one of the 3 pieces of my hair. This is a more clearer vision, as you can see, and then I'm going to continue braiding down. Doing this method, it'll make sure that you won't have like that bulgy thing. Like if you was to crochet the lock in, you'll have like that knot, and that's what we don't want. We want it to be smooth and nice, and that's what this method is going to do for you. So what you're going to want to do next is get the wrapping here. I ended up just taking like one of the curls and then splitting that into like 3 or 2, and then you're going to take one of those pieces that you split, and you know, make sure one side is longer than the other, and then you're going to start wrapping your hair, like wrapping it around your hair. And as you can see, I am wrapping towards my face. I found this way easier than wrapping, you know, away from my face. So this is a, you know, suggestion for y'all to do too. So I'm just going to keep wrapping the hair until I have none left, and then I'm going to palm roll the lock between my hands, and that's gonna like officially lock it together. And boom, we got our first lock. Like, stop playing with us. And I was looking at it because I'm like, I don't know if it's too thin. This is my first time with locks. I don't know if I like it, but it's gonna end up being cute at the end all together. So yeah, I'm just going to continue doing that same process. So now we are on to the second row, and in this row I'm going to do 4 braids, because as you see in the first row I did 3, so this one is going to be 4, then 5, then 6, and then I go back down to 5, 4, 3. And that's just what I did for this style. If you wanted it to be like fuller, then you would probably do like 4 or 5 braids in the first row, and then 5 or 6 braids in the second, and just keep, you know, doing that. That's what keeps the style and, you know, parts nice and neat. And then as you can see, I'm just going to continue doing the same process that I did for the other locks, as in like braiding and wrapping the hair.
Can you play that again? 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 of my yearnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day, tried to be fine but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by but I'm burning. I mean, my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling. Fighting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life. Daddy tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right, yeah. I really need time. up to my mind, it runs. I wake up to my mind, it runs. I wake up to my mind, it runs. I wake up to my mind, it runs.
Know that busy bad.
5 in the morning, 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 morning. 5 in the morning, 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 morning. 5 in the morning, 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 morning. 5 in the morning, morning.
Todd, can you play that again? So I finally finished the back or whatever, and it's looking real nice. So now we're going to move on to the front, and I ended up not even doing two first. Like, as you can see, I'm parting to start off 2 locks, but instead I ended up just doing 1, then 2, then 3, and then I think I did 2 4s, or I did a 4 and then a 5. But I don't even know if that made sense to y'all, but anyways, basically, if it didn't make sense, you know, I'm doing 1 braid first, and then the next round I'm doing 2 braids, and the next round I'm doing 3 braids, and you know, that's what I basically mean.
I've been losing friends to find a peace. Honestly, it sound like a fair trade to me. Honestly, it sound like a fair trade to me. Honestly, it sound like a fair trade to me. Honestly, it sound like a fair trade to me. Look, only if I need to small, turn up with her one, and I'm still outside, and I'm still, and I'm still outside, and I'm still, and I'm still outside, and I'm still, and I'm still outside, and I'm still her one, and I'm still outside, and I'm still, and I'm still outside, and I'm still, and I'm still outside, and I'm still, and I'm still outside, and I'm still. Baby, if you want me, kept turning up with everybody. Busy body, busy body, busy body, busy body, busy body, busy body, baby. If you want me, keep turning up with everybody. Busy body, 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 outside.
West End, West End, West End, West End, West End, bricks, bricks.
Girls want girls where I'm from. Girls want girls where. Girls want girls where I'm from.
Todd, can you play that again?
Girls want girls. I might come. Girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls. I might come. Girls want girls. Girls want from. Girls want girls where I'm from. Where I'm from. Where I'm from. I don't know. Girls want girls. Want girls. Want girls. Girls want girls. Want girls. Want girls where I'm from. They ain't at your dress cause it's see-through, see-through, see-through. They ain't at your dress cause it's see-through. I might go, I don't know. Cause it's see-through, 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 see-through, cause it's see-through, cause it's see-through. Say that you a lesbian, girl, me too, me too, me too, me too, me too, me too, me too. Say that you a lesbian, girl, me too, me too, me too, girls, me too. I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know.
It's
Damn, it's dressed cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me. My girl got a girlfriend, 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 girlfriend. Girl got a girlfriend, girlfriend. I'm from yeah, girls want girls. My girl got a girlfriend, 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 girlfriend. Girl got a girlfriend, girlfriend. She like eating pussy, not like me too. She like eating. Girl got a girlfriend, girlfriend, girlfriend. Girl got a girlfriend, girlfriend. She like eating pussy, not like me too. Girl got a girlfriend, girlfriend, girlfriend. Girl got a girlfriend. I might come, I might go, I don't know. Cause it's see-through.
So I'm on my last and final vlog, and they looking real nice or whatever. Like, stop playing with me. But I did notice like they was looking a little thin. Like I probably could have added like 2 pieces of hair and like for the wrapping hair. But anyways, it ended up being cute. Like it was still cute. And then after like a couple of days, like, you know, my hair started like, you know, getting a little looser and a little more puffy. So it wasn't looking like my hair was too big. Like it's looking a little big right now. But you know, these little edges gonna make up for it. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Do my little edges. And I ended up not even like recording the outro, so I'm gonna just put some videos of me just looking cute with these likes. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all guys in my next video.
See through, see through, see through. They ain't at your dress 'cause it's see through. I don't know. Does it see through? Does it see through? Does it see through?